Madayang mga math learners, it's me again, your math Esther here to discuss about converting fractions to decimals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for notifications. So, in converting fractions to decimals, simple lang ang rule. We just need to divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so to understand this further, let's have examples. Okay, if we are told to convert this fraction to decimals, 3/4. So, going back to the rule, we need to divide lang the numerator by the denominator. First, let us identify sa fraction, no, kung asa ang numerator, asa ang denominator. So, for the given, sa taas ang numerator, and sa baba ang ato ang denominator. So, since we need to divide that, so we have 3, which is the numerator, divided by the denominator, 4. Okay, so 3 divided by 4 is 0. So, following the rule in division, so 0 times 4 will give us 0. Subtracting will give us 3. So, para mabutangan nato siya decimal point, the rule is magbutang ta diri beside sa ato ang whole number og point. Then, likewise, copy lang nato na siya dito sa taas ang ato ang decimal point. Okay, after that, we will add 0. So, remember ha, decimal point and 0 ang ato ang i-add. Then, saan na to ang 0? I-bring down. Okay, so we now have 30 as our dividend. Divide it again by 4. That would give us 7. So, 7 times 4 is 28. Then, subtracting, we have a remainder of 2. So, dili ta mag-stop not unless ma-0 ato ang remainder. So, to continue, we have to add another 0 dito sa taas. Then, i-bring down lang nato tong 0 again. Then, this is divide na po nato by 4. So, that will give us 5. Then, 5 times 4 will give us 20. Subtracting will give us a remainder of 0. So, since 0 na atong remainder, this is now our answer. So, 0.75 ang equivalent sa 3/4 to decimals. Okay? Next example, we have to convert to decimals the fraction 2/5. So, divide lang the numerator by the denominator. So, divide 2 divided by 5. Okay? So, 0 again. So, 0 times 5 will give us 0. Subtracting will give us a remainder of 2. Then, dito na ta sa rule, no? Put decimal point sa baba. Then, likewise dito sa taas. Copy lang yun na siya. And then, add 0. Ang 0, mo to ang i-bring down. So, this will be divided by 5. So, multiplying, 4 times 5 will give us 20. Subtracting will give us the remainder of 0. So, since this is already 0, so 2/5 is equivalent to 0.4 in decimal. Alright? So, for our last example, if we have 1/7 told to convert it to decimals. So, divide lang, no, the numerator by the denominator. So, that is 1 divided by 7. Okay? So, this is equal to 0. So, 0 times 7 is equal to 0. Subtracting will give us a remainder of 1. So, putang tag decimal point, copy sa taas, then add 0. Okay? Then, bring down 0. So, muna itong bagong dividend. 10 divided by 7 will give us 1. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. Subtracting will give us 3. So, delete pa 0, add another 0. So, 30 na siya divided by 7. That is equal to 4 times 7 is 28. Subtracting will give us 2 as remainder. Again, continue. Add 0. So, 20 na siya karon. 20 divided by 7 is 2. Then, 2 times 7 is 14. Subtracting will give us 6. Tigapon 0. So, add another 0 sa taas. Bring down sa baba. So, that is 60. So, 60 divided by 7 is equal to 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtracting will give us 4. Okay. So, dili gyapon siya 0, diba? So, actually, this will continue, no? Padayon gihapon ni. But, we will limit our answer to 3 decimal places lang, no? So, if we have this answer, pwede na nato siya i-round off. So, to round it off up to 2 decimal places, following the rule in rounding off, this is now equivalent to 0.143 because 8 is more than 5, so we have add 1 to the number beside it. So 1 over 7 is equivalent to 0.143. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you and bye.